Oh boy, I am excited. Welcome to my video. This is another data approved review. We've got here a very special item. What do we have? We have here the Leatherman Charge Plus TTI, and this is the unboxing. I'm actually opening it for the first time right here, and let's take a look at what this knife is about, or excuse me, what this multi-tool is all about. Alright, so within the case, within the box, it's got some Leatherman instructions, how to use it. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Oh man, I just, let me take a moment here. Wow. I am very impressed so far. You know, that titanium, I'm sure this video is not going to do it justice, but the photos definitely don't do it justice because it's just got a nice look to it, a nice sheen to it, and the scales, they really do look very polished and nice. It also comes with a sheath, but it's not a typical sheath. It's got a side attachment here, and this is great because you can add accessories. You can put the extender, the bit extender, and also a flashlight or something else that you may feel necessary. It's got a nice clasp, and in addition, you've got some other accessories that come with it, right? And it's got a clip for the pocket, a lanyard loop, and it's got some drill bits that you can exchange on the tool itself. So when you're considering the price of this TTI, because it's not cheap, consider also that it's a one-stop shop, man. It comes with pretty much everything you need. The only other accessory you may want to consider getting is the bit extender. All right, so here we have it. Let me open it. Oh geez, I grabbed it from the wrong end. Oh, it opens so nice. This is whoa, the opening and close of the Leatherman TTI is extremely smooth. I've got here a Gerber MP600 that I just purchased. They're both brand new. This one is much stiffer. It hasn't been broken in yet. This is brand new. Oh man, it just glides open and closed. Jeez, I can't even believe that they're in the same multi-plier family. I mean, they just feel like two different types of tools completely. Whoa. I can't, I'm blown away by the movement of this, and the titanium scales do feel nice. All right, so let me set it down, go over a couple of things with the TTI. First things first, what makes it a TTI? Well, there's basically three things. Two are home runs. One, I don't know what to say too much about it, right? Number one, what makes this a TTI special and different from anything else is the S30v steel, right? It is found oftentimes in a lot of knives, pocket knives. For example, I've got here a Benchmade bug out, and this one is an S35 steel, or excuse me, S30 steel, and so is the Leatherman TTI. So this steel is one of the better steels that Leatherman uses. And I listed here some of the other steels that they typically use on their products, right? Their line, the Leatherman line, has a number of products that typically use 420HC, which is a great standard stainless steel. And a lot of their tools, including the Surge, the Wave, they all use this steel. Every once in a while, they'll upgrade that steel to 154 cm. Now, with higher quality steel comes better edge retention, and also just the quality to cut and sharpen is typically better. So then with the 154 cm, you'll get like the Skeletal CX, not the standard Skeletal, but the upgraded Skeletal. Also the Charge Plus. The Charge Plus uses the upgraded steel. They don't upgrade the steel everywhere. It's just for the knife blade. So when Leatherman Charge TTI has the S30 steel, it's just for the steel here on the knife and not for all the other tools. Another factor that you want to consider, right, is the 25-year warranty that Leatherman offers. Man, they stand behind their products, and you know, in my other reviews, the products that I do purchase, you're going to notice that I always look for companies and products that have the good warranty, because to me, warranty is important, right? Warranty is important because they're going to stand behind their products. And so here, when I depress this, the liner lock, the knife folds in very securely. So the warranty is huge for me because I want to make sure that when I purchase a tool or an item, that it's going to last, right? The other factor that makes this a standout or unique from other Leatherman tools is the titanium scales. It just feels good, you know, and I like it. I knew that I was going to like it, and let's see how it holds up to the test. It looks great, but will it perform great? You know, and of course, there's additional weight savings when you have titanium scales, and it's not a whole tool made of titanium. It's just the scales are, meaning the portions on the handle. It is pricey. The MSRP on it's $169.95. That means $170. But keep in mind, you're getting the warranty. You're getting the upgraded knife steel. You're getting the titanium scales. You're also getting the accessories. Right? How many other times have you bought something and you have to buy the sheath separately? And this is actually Leatherman's upgraded sheath. It's not their cheap basic sheath. It's the upgraded sheath, and it's high quality. You could feel the material used, that it's thick, it's strong, it's durable. And it also comes with the bits, and it also comes with the different clips. So you're not just getting the tool, you're getting the warranty and the bits and the accessories that go with it. And truly a standout product. So let's go over some other general features. It's got the stainless steel tools. The weight is 8.89 ounces, so almost 9 ounces. It's not too heavy. You do notice it, but I know something like the Surge, which is a more heavy-duty tool, it is heavier. You know, the overall length, it's approximately 5.75 inches long. Right, you can see it here. 5.75 inches long. And then you've also got, you know, let me do this, the width across. Not that it's a big factor, but it's about 2 inches. Not too bad. If you collapse it, it's about a little less than 1.5 inches, maybe 1.275 inches. And from here to here, the handle's about 4 inches, right? So what are some of the tools that it comes with? Well, we've got the Needlenose Pliers, the wire cutters. Let me stop right there, because in the middle of the plier set, wow, this thing is buttery smooth. In the middle of the mouth, they have what appears to be a crimper in the middle. And I'll be honest with you, when I looked at this, I really was debating between the Charge Plus, because it does have the upgraded steel of 154 cm. It may not be S30v, but it's just a knife steel. This crimper thing in the middle, it really bothered me. You know, I don't know, because it takes away the friction from the pliers. Like if you're wrenching on something and cranking on something, you want to be able to bite down and grip it. And so the Charge Plus doesn't have that. It's just, you know, the part of the plier. But this kind of bothered me. And so I went back and forth, but ultimately I got this, and you know what? I'm really happy with this. The other thing, it has the wire cutters, and it has the removable clip, which is you know, always useful. Let me see something here real fast. Got some electrical wire. Let me give it a cut. Oh yeah. It works just fine. I was a little worried because, again, this is another movable part. You know, if the screw comes loose or something happens, I'm worried that there might be play on the blade, but it works just fine. So in addition to the cutters, you also got the crimper, you've got the wire strippers, you've got a bunch of tools here. You know, I'm just starting out my YouTube channel, and YouTube limits the length of the video. So I want to display and go more in depth, but I think I'm gonna have to stop here and pick up on another video clip. So for now, I do have to stop, but you know, these are my initial impressions and unboxing. And right off the bat, one of the big differences that I've noticed, you know, this is not even in the same league, because it's not fair to the Gerber product, because this is not their top of the line product. This is Leatherman's top of the line product. But the way this opens and closes is buttery smooth. This one has to be broken in. It's very stiff. But this one does have, you know, the one-handed opening and close. So here is the Leatherman TTI Charge Plus. I hope to bring you more videos, more in-depth look into this. If you've got something that you want me to focus on or look into, please let me know in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe. This is another dad-approved review and the unboxing of the Leatherman Charge TTI Plus. This thing feels great, and I can't wait to put it to some use. Thank you for watching my reviews.